How to combine and filter two event sources within the single Kafka stream. Hello, I'm Alexander Halikov, IBM Integration Technical Presales. In our case, we will connect two topics together. That will be cancellations topic and orders topic. Let's see what we have in cancellations. So here you can see all of the messages for orders that were cancelled. All properties are here. So that will be the ID of the message and the order ID of the order itself. This will be an ID in orders topic. Let's see what we have in orders topic. Let's type orders. And the orders message look like this. So that will be the same ID as order ID in cancellations topic. Now let's go to event processing and create new flow. Our flow name will be suspicious orders. Suspicious orders. Create one. And first, let's filter all large orders and all small orders. So the source of the events will be orders topic. And I showed in previous video how to connect this topic to event processing. Let's say that the name of the node will be orders. Continue. And now we need to filter all orders. We will consider an order as large if the quantity will be over 5. Okay, let's add a filter, and the name of that filter will be large orders. Expression will be quantity that has to be greater than 5. Add expression and hit configure. Now we have only orders where quantity is over 5. Let's run this flow with historical events. As you can see, all orders in this filtered stream of events got quantity value over 5. Now we need to add another event source, which will be cancellations topic. Let's add it here. Choose cancels as a source of events, and the name of the node will be cancellations. Let's hit configure. And now what we need to do is to join these filtered events from orders and cancellations to get all orders that were cancelled. To do that, we need to add this interval join node. Let's combine these two together. And here we can rename it to cancelled large orders. And the join condition for this will be order ID from cancellations and the ID from large orders. As you can see, it's just cancellations.order ID should be equal to large orders ID. We will be interested in all cancellations that were made within the interval of 30 minutes after order was placed. We will filter large orders within the interval of 30 minutes. Let's hit next. Now let's choose the property that we're going to work with. In our case, that will be event time of the large order, event time of the cancellation, and the description of the large order. And because these properties got the same name, we need to rename them. Let's just rename them to order time and cancel time. Let's hit configure. Now we get a joint stream of large orders that were cancelled within the interval of 30 minutes. Let's add another filter to it to filter all small orders. And obviously all small orders are orders with the quantity that is less than 5. Let's add another filter and connect orders to this filter. And the node name will be small orders. The expression obviously will be quantity that is less or equal than 5. Hit configure. Now let's join all small orders with cancelled large orders. Let's add another node here, and we will connect small orders node and cancelled large orders node here. And the name of the node will be suspicious orders. Let's hit next. And the join condition will be the description of a small order and a large order. Let's choose description. And from here, we also need to choose description. Small orders dot description equals to cancelled large order dot description. And we are interested in all small orders that were placed within the 30 minutes interval after a large order was cancelled. So here we need to choose small orders, and here we need to choose large orders, order time, and the interval will be 30 minutes. Let's hit next. Now we need to choose properties to work with. That will be order ID. Let's change description to product. And also I am interested in the time of the event occurred. So let's change it to small order time. Delete everything else. And as I showed you in one of my previous videos that you can find right here, you can stream these filtered events to another topic to get a topic of all suspicious orders. Let's just run this flow and include historical events. Now you see that you have stream of events where you have only the description of the product, the name of the customer, order ID, and the time of the event. That's it. That's how you can create a filtered stream of events with 2 or more event sources without using any code. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more videos.